Please, can you guys see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Yes, we can see the screen.
Okay. So today is day 9. Welcome to class, everybody. It's really nice to have you here this night again. So today is day 9, as we all know, and I'm very sure that by this time, you guys, if you have been coming coming every time, and even if you are unable to join due to network, or maybe you are busy, but you're able to catch up what was taught on the YouTube channel, you are going to see that you are already becoming better gradually, small. I see some people that are sending me like results, like what we've done. You understand? They are trying to try it on a demo account. Some people are even using real accounts. You understand? But I advise them that, okay, please let us finish this thing before you start advance. Before you start trading it on a real account. Do you understand? Because I want you to have the knowledge, then you practice it, practice, then you start live too. Do you understand? Through that, you'll be able to minimize your loss and everything like that. Before I know some people don't know what TradingView is. Some people don't know what Binance is, what Bybit is. You understand? But now I'm happy that some people already know what it is and they're already familiar with it. They know how to use it. You understand? Then also, we've talked about market structure. We all know what support is, what resistance is, what trend line is. We know how to draw it. When we see uptrend, we know what to do. When we see downtrend, we know what to do. We also know about Fibonacci retracement. So, by now, if you see a coin that is pumping up and down, you know that, okay, I'm not going to enter the market now. I will wait for the market to come and pick me before I go on. Now, a quick example of that Fibonacci retracement that I'm telling you about is this particular thing that happened. See, within yesterday only, Bitcoin moved from 61K to 64,000 plus. Let me on my assistive touch. So within yesterday I was on my bed preparing for my exam when I saw the movement of Bitcoin. Do you understand? That is just pumping back. I was able to scale down to lower time frame to look for entry, and I made profits. Do you understand? So because if you look at this thing, the market firstly reached this place, then it went down back. As it went down back, I already saw my entry, so I picked it. So I was able to make some profits. Do you understand? But I don't want to post it so that some guys will be posting, be saying that, okay, be dropping signals. But there is difference between me that is dropping signals and you that are taking signals. If I'm dropping signals for you, if I hit stop loss, that's like another money that I'm paying to become a better version of myself. So I count it as cost to be a better version of myself. You understand? So some of the costs you pay to the market. But to your own end, someone that is collecting signals is a loss on your own account, is a loss on your side. Why? Because you are not learning anything. You don't know the reason why I said you should long here. You don't know the reason why I said you should short here. Do you understand? So you just longing blindly, you just shorting blindly, and the markets did not come in your favor. The market come against you. What happened? You lose money. To me, I learned new things. So for me to learn that particular thing so that I won't repeat that same mistake again, I have to pay for this particular trade. Do you understand? Obviously, my next trade, I'm not going to make that same mistake that I made in the previous trade. But since you don't know, let's say you are not like, this next signal is not sure again. You go and move to another signal provider. Whereas another signal provider also encountered that same problem, that same mistake that I did. He also did that thing too. So you lost 2 times. Whereas the person that gave you the signal actually made more profits. Another thing about signal providing and everything is that I will give you a very large stop loss. The stop loss that I give you is not the stop loss that I'm going to use. I'm going to use a more tighter and a more shorter stop loss. Why? Because I understand the principle of risk management already. Do you understand? So I'll be like, okay, I'm targeting 3%, so I'm risking 1%. You understand? But if I want to drop the trade, I might give 2% stop loss. Why? Because I want to always be correct at every point in time. I even know some signal provider that their stop loss is always 3%, 5%. That you can win 5 trades and lose 1 trade. Losing that 1 trade will clear all the 5 trades. You understand? It's not their fault. They are trying to work to be correct all the time. Because you will not understand that, okay, this person is not correct, or market might do his thing at times. You feel like this guy is not happy, this guy does not know anything. Do you understand? So that's why, even if you want to be collecting signals, even if you want to be depending on, like I drop signals in my academy, like I have a private group. You understand? So I drop signals there. People take the trades. There are some signals I will drop that some of my students are not going to take. Why? Because it doesn't match with their own trading strategy. Do you understand? So everybody, and if I drop, say, okay, long this thing, reason other block, reason Fibonacci retracement, reason liquidity. Do you understand? They don't already understand that thing. You understand? So it will make them, you get better. Have you seen someone that made it in life through begging? No. Through dependency? No. If you are the type that you are dependent on someone, you can never be at the top of the. That's why you cannot see someone that is cheating, someone that is asking for answers in the exam hall that will not be the scholar. It's not possible. It's not possible. Do you understand? I don't know if someone, maybe I just don't know why I'm even saying this. Maybe someone just needs to hear this actually. So, but the thing is that please let's all come to class so that you can grab this thing once and for all. And if you have a question or you don't get it, immediately you will call my attention or trash it out immediately. Do you understand? So that's that about that. So today we want to talk about smart money concepts. Please, am I audible enough?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
you're
but
audible.
Okay,
Sorry.
and you guys can see my screen.
yes,
Yes, we
yes.
can
Yes,
see
we
it.
can.
Okay, so is there anybody that have been hearing about SMC since all this while? You can raise your hand. Let me see you. If you've been hearing about SMC, and you've been wanting to learn what this SMC is, you see a lot of Twitter idolos, a lot of traders. It's SMC. All of us are using. You'll be like, this SMC. Okay, I'm seeing your hand. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So what is this SMC all about? I swear to God, one thing that I want you to know this night, if you didn't learn anything this night, one thing that I want you to know this night is that trading is very, very easy. Sorry, trading is not easy. Trading is not easy. But technical analysis is very, very easy. The reason why I say trading is not easy is that fingers are not equal. You understand? Some people have $10,000 to trade. Some people have $1 million to spare that they can lose. Do you understand? You have $10 to lose. So you that you have $10, you want to be as conservative enough as possible. And whereas you'll be seeing people posting profits, those people are seeing 1,000 on a single trade that you guys will enter together. You are seeing $1. They are seeing 10,000, 1,000. So that emotion will be challenging. That what are you doing? Are you not wasting your time? Do you understand? But as I told you one time that in one of our classes, everything takes was time, and give it to time. There are also other opportunities that you can leverage on to make money. From them, you said you can be funding your account. I've mentioned some of it in our first day, in day one of our class, or is it day 2 of our class? I've mentioned that one. Well, on why you are still poor as a crypto or forex trader. So now this retail trading is very, very easy. Very, very easy. But you need to understand it. And if you attended yesterday's class when Trader Liben is talking about some terminologies, I'm very sure that a lot of you were very, very lost, like so lost. I can read the comment section. I can read the comment that you guys will still come to my DM, lament and tell me this particular thing you don't understand and everything. So calm down. Now I'm going to be teaching you one after the other. The reason why you guys did not grab yesterday is the fact that he's putting everything together. You understand? So he's already assuming that all of you know how to trade already. You understand? He's just trying to point out some common mistakes and everything. I understood everything he was teaching yesterday because that's how me too I trade. Do you understand? But it will be so difficult for you when you ask because you've not actually been exposed to everything. So if you understand the way I've been teaching you and the concepts I'm using to teach, I'm using the ABC strategy to teach so that you can understand the key strategy, keeping it short and simple, that I'm using. Now, the ABC strategy is that before you can know how to call babe or sex or baba or mama or father or kitchen, before you can combine all those things, you first started from what? From from alphabet. From alphabet, you now move to 2 letters word. From 2 letters word, you move to 3 letters word. From 3 letters word, you move to how to organize phrase. From phrase to sentence, like that. Sentence to paragraph to comprehension, like that. Do you understand? So now we are already coming up gradually. We've left the aspect of alphabet. We've moved to 2 letters word. We've moved to 3 letters word where I tell you market structure and everything. Now I want to teach you maybe like phrase. You know, phrase too doesn't make sense because phrase does not give you the complete meaning. Phrase can be like to go, to come, to do. It's like you don't understand what the person is saying. But if I say, I am told to come, you should know that, okay, that's actually like a complete sentence. Do you understand? So what he was doing yesterday for you guys that you thought maybe like, this thing is difficult or you don't understand this thing, is because he's trying to give you a comprehension. Now, I'm trying to give you dots. We are saying dot by dot by dot. Later, we are now going to connect all the dots together. It will now make sense. Now, so today we want to talk about order blocks. Now, but these order blocks, what does it mean? Where was it coming from? How does it came into being? And so on like that. Now, majority of SMC traders, what they use is what? Order blocks. You can write it down. Majority of SMC traders, what they use is what? Order blocks. Now, what is this order block? SMC. What is this SMC? Because I said majority of SMC traders use what? Order blocks. Now, what is SMC? SMC means smart money trader. Smart money concept. Smart money concept. And it can also be called SMC. Do you understand? It's smart money concept. Now, what bets this smart money concept or types of strategy is because a particular concept that people are using before is no more working. And what is that concept that is no more working? That is the retail concept of trading. Now, what is retail concept of trading? Please, are you guys following? Are you getting what I'm trying to teach you? Are you flowing along with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it complicated?
Not at all.
Okay. Now, what is retail concepts? So I will quickly dive into retail concepts, though we are going to take it as a full class one day. Do you understand? But I want you to guys, because we've already been exposed to that one, I want you guys to still grab some things so that it will now be making sense with you. Now. You understand? So it's what retail concepts. Now, retail concepts in simple terms, retail concept is the traditional method of trading. Traditional. When we say something is traditional, what does it mean? Traditional method of trading. The first method of trading. The historian method of trading. Do you understand?
Bash. Yeah, YouTubers.
Yeah, thank you. Now, that is what the retail concept. That's the retail concept of trading. Now, what do I call all of us the other time? When in our first or second class that time, I said we are all what? Retail traders. Why? We are retail traders because of what?
Because of our lot size.
Because of our lot size, because of the amount of capital, amount of what? Of money we are putting in the market. Do you understand? So that's why we are retail. Now, the retail method of trading, they use two things. Number one, they use market structure. And number 2, they use indicators. Please, who is this person that is disturbing me in this class? Who is the person? So I said the retail concept of trading. Traders using retail concept of trading, they use 2 things. They use 2 things in trading. Number 1, I call it what? Market structure. And number 2, I call it what? Indicators. Now, market structure, you guys know that one already, which is what? Just put your support, put your resistance, know the trend. If you are in uptrend, you long. If you are in downtrend, you short. You understand? They now introduce some indicators too. So example of indicator, I show you that day, though I will still teach you some indicators that are still working. Do you understand? All this RSI, MACD, and everything. And I show you where you can go and get all those type of the indicators. Do you understand? So it's there, just come here, click on this FX indicators, you are going to see it there. Now, so that is what they are using. Do you understand? So when people now saw that this trading is sweet, you understand? So that's the history. I'm telling you the history of SMC already. Now this trading is easy. It's good to take this trade. I'm not taking my money to bank again. Let me just be using this thing to make profit for myself. Remember, I told you that banks, government, financial institutions, all of them, big investors, they are what? They are trading. You get, because they have that money. Imagine, why are they collecting your money? What are they using it for? They are using it for business. And which business can they do? It's business that you understand very well, that you'll be able to leverage on. This trading is finance. Majority of people there, they are finance people. Do you understand? So they have the money to employ those people that are very good in this analysis and everything. See, come and be trading for us. We will give you this so amount of money at the end of the month. Just make sure that you are making profits for us. You understand? So they employ those. So anytime you deposit money to the bank, they will carry your own money, they will go and use it to trade. You understand? They will make profits because they are using large amounts of money. Imagine you that you are entering trade with $10 and you trade it 100%, you make $10 profits. You understand? But someone that is using $100,000, that same trade that you guys took is $100,000 plus in profits. Do you understand? So they are getting richer. They are getting richer. They are getting richer so that you can still continue to bring your money to bank. To banks. What are they doing? They now introduce that, okay, they will be giving you interest. They will be giving you interest. That's why you see like 12% per annum. Money that is even so small. I don't know if there's anybody that is using GT Bank here. If you are using GT Bank savings account, since it's a savings account, you are not collecting anytime soon. And it is even numbers you are seeing. That real money that you deposited is not there again. They've used it to do other things. It's just the numbers that they are giving you. That's why tech is so sweet now. You understand? So it's just numbers. You are seeing numbers on your account. If you need your money now. The thing about it is that as you are withdrawing, you bring 500 naira, another person brought 1,000 naira. So they will take 1,500 from the 1,000 that person brought. They will give you your 500. The remaining 500, they are using it for business again. Do you understand? So they are making a lot of profits as banks, as government. Government to introduce some bonds, treasury bills, and so on like that, so that money in circulation, they can still collect it. You understand? And be using it to trade, and be using it to do some things, using it to do business. You understand? Now, when they now see that, one thing about business is that it will always cast, in the sense that maybe one of the persons that was employed might be doing it at home, or teach his wife or husband. You understand that, okay, this is how to do it, this is how to do it. The person will sit down at home and be printing money, whereas the husband or wife too is in the bank or is in the anywhere is admitted, employed, printing money for the banks too, printing money for the company he's working for too. Do you understand? So now they now saw that the shift is getting high. A lot of people are not bringing money to the bank again. A lot of people are not bringing money for big investors to use their money to trade so that they can be giving them some interest again. Everybody is out of the into the market now. Everybody is now trading the market because that retail trading of concepts, just market structure and indicator, is so simple that time. Remember I tell you, it's the traditional method of trading. It's like the first method of trading, like historical method of trading. What will you do? It's just that if the market, what did I tell you about support? Once market gets to support, what should you do? What is the meaning? Once market gets to support, you are expecting the market to what? To bounce back up. Do you understand? So it's so simple. Once they see that this thing is coming down, you understand? Like this thing is coming to come and hit the resistance. What would they do? They will short the market, make profits. Are you with me? Short the market. Can you see that this person has made profits like this? As this thing is coming down, they will close the trade, long the market again, long again. As the market hits resistance, support, they will long again. Do you understand? Make profit. As the market gets to this place again, they are going to what? They are going to close their trade again. Once they close their trade, as it hits this place too, they are going to what? They are going to short again. It is as simple as that. Are you guys following me? It is as simple as that time. Are you following me?
Yeah, with you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And obviously, you know that market it's not every time you are going to be winning. Okay, the person lost this particular trade. Do you understand? They lost this particular trade. Okay? As the market is going towards to resistance again, what do? You see what? You still short again. As the market touch, you see that the market has went up from here, from the stop loss, it went to this place. As it's coming down, you know that it's support again. You see what? You still place your trade. Sorry, I took the wrong one. You still place your trade again and see what? And still long. Do you understand? And still long. As the market gets what? To resistance, you still close your trade again and see what? And still short. It is as simple as that. What happened? They saw that people are not taking their money to banks again. People are no more doing what? They are no more taking their money to banks again. They are just what? Trading by themselves. And banks, big companies, investment companies, and so on like that, they are going to pay their workers. They are going to pay people that the investors that actually started the business and so on like that. You understand? But people that they are using their money to trade, they are not bringing money to trade again. You understand? So everything was all rosy then for retail traders. Everybody is enjoying. You say that I'm taking my money to bank. If here you are taking your, you say, this one I never know never know the scope. Do you understand? So people were cashing out, making profits. Now you now get to a point. Now someone that if you are also the person that you are bank to, that you are all these big investment company, that you have to pay your investors, you have to pay your workers, but there is no money to pay them. What will you do? Won't you sit down and say, what is wrong with me? Where am I getting it wrong? And try as much as possible to figure out where the problem is. Do you understand? And if you can figure out a problem, then to see the solution is not a problem again. The most difficult thing is to identify a problem. Once the problem is identified, obviously you know that these are the steps to take to see the solutions. So sorry please, my phone is 4%. Let me look for charger. So are you feeling me? Now, then these financial institutions, those investment companies, and also banks, they now sat down that what is happening? How can we do it? How can we make it to make sure that these people still keep on bringing their money back to banks? They introduce that, okay, come, we'll be giving you some small amount of money. Imagine in a year, if you put money in bank, in a year, they are going to give you 12% interest. So your money will increase by 12% in a year. Whereas on a single trade, they can make 50%, they can make 100%. Do you understand? They now introduce that. What can we do? They now introduce interest. Come, put your money. Normally before, people are even paying banks. Do you understand? Because all those that charges and everything that they are putting is like you are afraid. You don't want robbers to come and collect your hard-earned money. So you go and put the money into banks so that they can be, since they are doing the work of guarding your money, they have the security, they have the everything, and it's their own loss if your money lost. Do you understand? So obviously they are collecting charges. So they will charge you for this, they will charge you for that, and so on like that. When they now saw that people are not bringing their money to bank again, people are not bringing their money for investment again, what can we do? They now started introducing what? Interest. Come, we'll give you this so interest rate. But people are saying that, even if I take this 1 or 2 trades, I don't know how much I've made. Do you understand? You now say I should still come and putting my money in something. I'm not taking my money there. Do you understand? What other method can they look at? You know, that they've identified a problem. They provide the solution. The solution did not last. So what other solution can they do? That's when they now invited and they now employed more financial guru, more financial experts that are very sound in economics, very sound in market analysis. Come and sit down. Please, what can we do? They increase their salary, people that they know, they increase their salary, then they still sort out from more nerds, more intelligent people. Come and help us to solve this particular problem. They now gave them a life-changing offer. They gave them a mouth-watering offer so that they cannot even reject it to their own self too. Do you understand? So they now sat down. They now tell them that, okay, come, these people, they are using $10, using $20. But if we accumulate everything together, it can be like $1,000. That's why, and you too, you are bank too. You too, you are using $1,000 to enter trade too. Do you understand? So that is why the two of you are competing with the money, and that's why you see that everything is flowing in the circle, is flowing in a chain. Do you understand? Whereas all of you are making the same profits, all of you are making the same loss. You are shorting at the same time, you are longing at the same time. This is what we think we can do. You have the money, you have the funds. You understand? And what do they always say? There's a saying that he who has the money has control over other people who don't get money. Do you understand? So what did they come? There is something we can do. And what we can do is very simple. What we will do is that, okay, this person, they have, if we combine all the money that they have, they want to long at this place, Abi. They want to long at support. If we combine all the others that want to long at support, let's say $500,000 that want to long at support. Do you understand? Now, and banks have up to $10 million. Okay, come, this is what we are going to do. Now, we are going to long with them at this $500,000. No, sorry. There is $500,000 that want to long here. They will now short with what? With $1 million in this place. They will now short where you want to long, where everybody will combine all the others that want to long. It is $500,000. Now they will now short at that particular place that you want to long with what? With $1 million. Now, for a smart student, where do you think the market will go? Will the market go up or the market will come down?
It will come down.
It will come down. It will go down. Now, if for it to go down, the way it is that there are only two participants in the market. Whether either you are a buyer or you are a seller. Now, if you see market consolidating, it means there's a strong competition between buyer and seller. Do you understand? The two of them have the same strengths. They are competing. Do you understand? For the market to go down, the market is going to go down by $500,000 of orders. Do you understand? Why? Because they've used $500,000 to liquidate the $500,000 that want to long. Do you understand? So they've lost what? $500,000. I don't know if you guys are getting it. Hello? You are getting it. So they will now. It's like, so they entered the market with $1 million. They use $500,000 to settle the $500,000 that want to long. Do you understand? They are in loss of what? $500,000. They now have $500,000 left in their trade, Abi. So the next thing is now that the market will now use another $500,000 to take the market back up after they've already taken you out. Do you understand? So when they use it to take the market back up, everybody that are now, so you thinking that market is going back up, market is going back up. No, they are using another money, another $500,000 to take the market back up.
It's just to lure you guys that our market is going back up. It's normal support and resistance that we are trading. Do you understand? It has already reached this stage. The market is going back up. So everybody will now start entering the market again. Start entering, longing. Whereas the market is not going to go up very well like that. Do you understand? So they will sell past this resistance. They will now go and tap one particular place. Then they will now sell. So all your money that you are using to long, compare with the money they are losing and everything, they will now make profits. At the end of the day, they can now come out with what? Let's say $1.5 million or $2 million. Like that, they've made the loss that they had in the first place. Do you understand? So it's just as if like you are getting beaten so that you can enjoy the profits later. You are losing money so that you can what? You can make money later. Do you guys get it? Do you get the analogy?
Yes, sir, we do.
Yeah, we are getting it.
Thank you. So that is smart money trading concept. So they were doing that. They were doing that for a whole long period of time. People don't know. People are like, this thing is getting harder. What is happening? But they, now, human beings, we are stubborn now. We'll be like, it happens. You understand? So they were doing that. They were doing that for a long period of time. Then they now dominate the market again. They were now able to dominate the market again. So people are now like, instead of me to lose my money, instead of me to be losing my hard-earned money, let me just go and keep it in bank back. So everybody is now going to go and keep the money back in their bank. You understand? So they now started using investment. Let me put my money in this investment. Let them give me 20% in a year. So they started buying treasury bills. Let me put my money with government. Do you understand? Because government cannot run away with my money. That's one thing that you should know. Government cannot run away with your money. They are the one printing the money, of course. Do you understand? So if you buy treasury bills, buy their shares and everything like that. Their bonds. Government distributes bonds and treasury bills, and they will give you what? They will give you interest. So therefore, the big players, the big boys in the market, the people with the money, which are banks, institutions, financial institutions, government, they were now able to be on top of the food chain again. Are you following me? So people now started taking their money back to bank again and everything like that. But now, these fingers are not equal. If we have 100 people in a room, if 99 people are going towards right, there would always be one person that wants to go towards left. Do you agree with me? Everybody cannot think the same way.
Exactly.
Do you understand? So there is now one trader that now sat down that what is happening in this market? This is not how we are trading the market before. What is really, really happening? He now sat down. He now started backtesting. There's something we call backtesting. That's what the person that took us yesterday was doing. Like you are checking previous charts. What has happened in the past? What has happened in the past? You understand? So he now started backtesting. Days went over days. Week went over weeks. Months went over months. You understand? Years went over years. Then Eureka. He now finally found it. He now noticed that these particular traders, these particular big players, the institutions, the financial institutions, the banks, the government, before they do that thing that they are doing, before they do that manipulation they always do, they always leave an hint. They will always leave an hint. And that hint is what we refer to as what? Order block. Now, look at it now. If I use, do you agree that this particular big move that you see is one big player that did it, right? It's someone that has big money that was able to do this, right? Right?
Yeah.
All these big impulsive move that you are seeing, you were able to see, you know that, okay, it's one person that have big money that was able to do it. You now notice that they will always leave an hint. And that hint is that, let's say they want to sell, the candles will be red. They will always leave a small candle, which is a green candle. That's where they will come back to come and sell again from. Do you understand? So if they want to long, they will always leave a small candle that is opposite candle before what they do that their stupid impulsive move. Look at now. Let's be looking at the chart. Can you see that there's a small candle, a small opposite candle? Like let's say they want to do green now. They've left what one small red candle before they do that green. Before they do this red, they left one small opposite candle, which is what a green candle before they do their craziness. Do you understand? Look at this. Red. They leave a small green candle. Before they go up, green. They left a small red candle. Before they do this red, they left a small green candle. Are you guys with me? Are you getting it? See, before they do this green, they were able to leave a small red candle. Let's check charts. Check charts, as many charts as possible. Look at it. Before they do red, they left a small green candle. Let's check charts. Can you see? Before they do these big moves, you can see a small red candle. You understand? Can you see red candle before the green? Do you understand? See, before this red that you are seeing, they left a small green candle, and so on and so. You see, red. They left a small green candle. Now, that is an hint, because they will later come back there. They will later do what? They will later come back there and short. Let's say they want to short now. Now, this green candle, this small this thing that they left, they will come back there later to come and short from. Do you understand? So that is what we refer to as what? Order blocks. That is what we refer to as what? Order blocks. Do you get? Now, so that trader was now able to see it. So he noticed two things. One, they will leave an hint. And that hint, he call it what? Order block. Number two is that they will do impulsive move. There's no how. You will see the footprint that my $10 cannot do this. My $100 cannot do this. Obviously, someone that has big money that did this, because he was able to sell it aggressively. Bah! So there will be an aggressive or what? Impulsive move. So what are the two hints? Number one hint is what?
Other blocks.
Order block. Number two hint is what?
Aggressive.
Aggressive or impulsive.
Move
Number three hint is that
or impossible.
They are going to break structure. Let's say it is support now, they will break it. Let's say it is resistance now, they will break it. Let's say the market is going uptrend, they will break it. Do you understand? So they will do what? A break of structure. Number three is that the number three hint he was able to know is that they are going to what? Break structure. There will be what? A break of structure. Are you feeling me?
Yes, boss.
So what are the three hints he was able to recognize? What are the three hints?
Number one, they will break the structure.
That block,
Yes.
a break of structure, and impulsive move.
Impulsive move. Thank you. Now, you now started studying them that this particular order block, once they do that, their impulsive move and there's a break of structure, the market will now reverse back. Everybody will think, this thing is selling, it's selling, they will be shorting. They will now reverse back just to go and carry people's stop loss. Do you understand? Then they will now tap that place again, that order block, that small inch that they left. They will now start the main selling that they want to sell. If they want to buy too, they will firstly buy. They will be like, this market is pumping. Everybody will be FOMOing in, fear of missing out. They don't want to miss out. They will be entry. The market will now start reversing, go and eat their stop loss. Do you understand? Then where will the market now reverse back up from that order block? That's the hint he saw. So he started backtesting. After he saw the backtesting, then he now started practicing it on a demo account, just to gain confidence about that thing, and also to solidify what he has found out. Then he now started using to trade live accounts. Then he's now see that he's balling back, he's balling. Do you understand? So then he was now able to tell some of his friends, come on, I found another strategy. Do you understand? Look at this strategy. He taught them. they now what started using it, and they are now what enjoying the market. If you understand and if you see that this smart money concept of trading is not everybody that know how to use it to trade. It's not everybody. It's not everybody. And even people that know how to use this trade are now new traders that we all know. All these idolos that we all know. Do you understand? Is now the smart money trader. That's the concept. That is now the word smart money concept. So that's what. So for you to know that concept is actually what a new concept, and also is a smart money concept. Like you are trying to mimic. Another thing they were able to know is that you cannot go against these people. They have money more than you. You know, someone that has money, you can do anything to. You can do and undo to you. Do you understand? So instead of them to be on loggerheads with these people that they can ruin your life, because as you are eating stop loss, it's not even move an inch in their own body. Do you understand? Why not copy them? Why not be like them? Why not follow their footsteps? So that is what bets about what smart money concept. Is it well understood now?
Yes, bro.
So
Yes,
now
sir.
that you now understood it, now you'll be able to utilize it. You'll be able to use that knowledge to actually understand how this thing really works. Now, like today we are just going to talk about what other blocks. Do you understand? Maybe tomorrow we'll talk about break of structure and likes like that. Do you understand? So today I will just be mapping out other blocks for you. Now, another thing that you must know is that it's not all the other blocks that you see that you must trade. We'll get to that place too. Do you understand? There are other blocks that you must trade. There are other blocks that you must not trade. Do you understand? There are some things that you must consider before you can say, okay, I want to use this one to trade. There are some things that you must consider before you say, this one does not meet the criteria, so I'm not going to use it to trade. So what I'm going to teach you today, we are just going to be mapping out as many other blocks as possible, because one of the things that I understand, I get to understand is that majority of people, this thing used to be like magic in their face. Why? Because, and it is normal. It's something that you are used to. I mean, you are just getting introduced to for the first time. Do you understand? So it's normal. So now look at this one now. You can see an impulsive move. Red. So therefore, this one is a what? Is an order block. Now we have two types of order block. I will tell you that one tomorrow. Don't let me bombard you. Just be looking at it. This one, red. You will carry it. This green candle is a what? Is an order block. So you map out the order block, like from the top to the bottom of that particular candle, everything about that candle. You understand? You can see that this is an impulsive move, red, pa. So therefore, the green candle before the what? Impulsive red candle is an what? Is an order block. Are you feeling me?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
boss.
Look at this impulsive move down, pa. So this particular small candle that I'm seeing, this green candle that I'm seeing, is an what? Is an order block. Do you understand? So look at this red candle before the impulsive green candles. This is an what? This is an order block. The opposite, that red candle, is an what? Is an order block. Do you understand? Look at this particular candle, this green candle before the impulsive red candle. So this is what? This is an order block. Now, over the years, another question that people used to ask me is that, how many candles must I see before I can say it's an impulsive move? It doesn't matter. It can be one candle, it can be two candles, it can be three candles, it can be four candles. But your eyes is going to tell you that this thing don't move down too much now. Look at this one now. I cannot compare this one, this move, red of this one to this red of this one. Do you understand? Look at this candle. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is just 1, 2, 3. But you can see that this one actually went down very well compared to this one. So this is a what? An order block. This green candle is what? Is an order block. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Look at this candle. This green candle. So it's rectangle that we used to draw it to. This is an what? An order block. Let's still be looking. See this impulsive move. See this impulsive move. Green. This is what? An order block. This is an order block. Do you understand? So let's be looking. This is an what? This is an order block. You can map as many as possible on a chart, like as many as possible, because there are really, really many. Look at this one now. This one is not an order block. Why? Because you can see some reds in between the what? So this one is not an what? It's not an impulsive move. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? Because see now, this red is already hindering the what? The impulsive move we want it to what? To do. Do you understand?
Yes.
So look at this one, impulsive move, green. So this is what? This is an what? Order block. Do you understand it?
Yes, boss.
Have I done
Yes.
justice to order block now?
You have
Yes.
done just that.
Thank you. Now we now have two types of order blocks. Like there are types of order blocks, there are forms of order blocks. Types of order blocks, there are just two types of order blocks. Forms of order blocks, there are also two forms of order blocks. Now, the types of order blocks that we have bullish order block and bearish order block. Are you with me? We have bullish order block and we have what? Bearish order block. Now, what are the forms of order block that we have? This person, tell your dog, who is the person? Let me meet you so that you can attend to your dog first. Who is the person? Okay, I think it's making sense. Okay, now, what are the types of order blocks? I said we have two, bullish order block or bearish order block. Now, what are the forms of order block? Is the forms of order block. We have tradable order block and non-tradable order block. It's not all the order block that you see that you must trade. Do you understand? So it's the tradable order block and non-tradable order block that we are going to discuss that one. Now, what are the types of order block? I say what? Bullish or what? Bearish. Now, you will now write it. The importance of bullish order block, we use it to what? To long the market. From the name bullish now, you want to use it to what? To long. You are expecting that once market hits that order block, the market is to go what? Bullish. The market is to go long. The market is to buy. Do you understand? Now, what of bearish order block? We use it to what? To sell the market. We use it to what? To short the market. Because our own aim is that once markets touch that bearish order block, the market is to what? To bear. The market is to be bearish. The market is to come down. The market is to dump. Do you understand?
Yes, boss.
So now, normally we said a support, a resistance is like a line or a zone or an area. Do you understand? Same thing with what? With order block. But this time around, that one is a candle. It's a single candle. Do you understand? So it's a single candle. Look at this one now. This green candle that you are seeing like this green candle is a single candle that we are expecting that this is a single candle. I don't want this rectangle to block it. This single candle. We are expecting that once market gets to this zone, it can be at the tip of the candle or at the body of this candle or above the body. Like it's this place that the market is expecting to start coming down back again. Do you understand? This zone is this candle, whether it's the top of the candle or the middle of the candle, or is that sharp candle. So that's why we are using rectangle. That let's say this is the top to the bottom of the candle. So within this zone is where we are expecting the market to dump from, or the market to pump from. It can start from the up, from the inside, or from the like the lowest part of it. Do you understand?
Yes, boss.
Do you understand? So that's that about order block. So what do we use bearish? Now, another thing I want to tell you is that since you are a beginner, you are just starting, you can see some people's charts that their charts will just be black and red. Some people will be like just black and white charts and everything. Is because they've mastered it. Do you understand? So for you, one thing that you must know is that bullish order block, we use it to long, Gabi, to long the market. So the color is red. Look at it now, bullish. bullish. I'm coming. Let me look for one else. Can you see that this thing is bullish? Do you understand? Bullish. So the color is what? They will leave an hint, opposite candle. So this red candle is a what? Is a bullish order block. We are expecting that market is going to come down back to touch this place and start continue going back up. Do you understand? Look at this one now. This is a red candle. You mark everything out. We are expecting that the market should come down back later, touch this place and go back up. Do you understand? So that is that about what? Bullish order block. So bullish order block is what? Is a green can is a red candle before the impulsive green candles. Do you understand? Now, what of bearish order block? Bearish order block. What is the color of bearish? Is what? It is green. Do you understand? We're expecting that once market get back there, the market should what? Should dump. Do you understand? So tomorrow I will now be taking you through what and what you should understand, like break of structure, like other things you must consider before you now see that it's true, this thing actually respected it, this one respected it. Do you understand? So that's about that. Any question? It's 10 o'clock already. Any question?
Good evening, boss.
Yeah, I'm coming. See for example now. See this particular trade. You can see that the market dump, right? Though, as what I'm teaching you guys, you are not supposed to trade this one because of this inducement. Like this thing is supposed to be red. So this one to you is not an order block. So let's go and look. I'm looking for the one that is like that the market's respected, even like without considering other things. So maybe like tomorrow we'll now consider the reason why the markets actually later expected it. Now look at this particular trade. You can see that this is what? This is an impulsive move. Do you agree with me? This is an impulsive move of red, right? So what is our order block here? Is it a bullish order block we are supposed to mark out, or a bearish order block?
A bearish order block.
A bearish order block. Why? Because our aim is that. So the candle will it be a green candle or a red candle?
Yes, it will be green.
It will be a green candle. Do you understand? Yes. Look at this green candle is what we are going to map out from the top to the bottom of the candle. So that is the hint that all these institutional traders, the banks that they did, this impulsive movement that you saw is their footprint. And they will always leave an hint. And that hint is a what? Is a bearish order block that you are seeing. And the color is what? Is green. Now, how do we trade it? The way we trade is that we are expecting that since they've traded it down, they will now start buying back. So you think that the market is pumping back, you will be buying. Whereas they are going back to where they first started the movement from and now sell hard. Look at it. I'm going to come. Can you see? Can you see that the market came back there and the market now sold hard, even more than where the way the first lure you. Do you understand? Can you see? So like this, you now make what? Profits. You can see that the profit that they are making here is even more than the support and resistance profit that they are making. Wow. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the profits? Wow. Can you see the profits? Wow. So that's how it is. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So that's how it is. So tomorrow we are going to see a lot, like more example. Look at here too. You can see that look at here too. You can see that they did an impulsive move down. Bah. You understand? Carry that small place. That small green candle that we are seeing. Can you see? The market shall do some noise. We'll tell you the reason why it didn't like respect it in the first place, like very well on like the first one. But you can see that it's shot this region that the market was sold back hard, very hard, even more than the other place. Look at it, very hard, down. Do you understand?
Yes,
do you get me?
Yes, boss.
So that's how it is. So questions. Please, do you guys understand what I taught you today?
Yes, sir.
Or is looking strange to you guys?
strange, sha, but I'm
That's
available.
really true.
Please, you guys should go and watch this thing again. Like, go and watch it again. It's so sweet. Do you understand? And you can also search some YouTube video this night too. Just search other blocks. How to search how to draw other blocks. It is so simple, guys. It is as simple as that. So tomorrow I will teach you break of structure and other things to look out for before you can trade other blocks. So that's that. So your assignment today, you are not sending it yet. The time that we ask for you guys to be sending your assignment is coming on that group on a particular day instead of class. It's just practical we are going to do tonight. As of now, just try and be acquiring the blocks brick by brick. Later we are going to connect all the dots. So questions, guys.
Yeah, good evening, boss.
Yeah, good evening. If you have question, please raise up your hand so that I can meet you.
Yeah, I don't have much question, but I thought I enjoy. Thank you so much. We really appreciate. We appreciate your efforts for us. But since last night, I don't understand. I don't really understand much. I think I've lost since last night. But maybe I'm going to watch the YouTube videos. Maybe I can understand much better.
Yeah. So the reason why we did it that night, like last night, is that it's not everybody that is a newbie. You know, now you are already getting things now. Imagine today or tomorrow, I should now start from how to use TradingView. You know, you'd be like, I'm wasting your time here. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So you'd be like, let me go for that. But today, like this, I'm very sure you don't gain one thing. If you were able to, but the thing is that since you don't understand what he was teaching yesterday, you will not be able to connect the dot. This night that, oh wow, this is the reason why he's doing this. This is why he's doing that. You get? So that's it. Yeah.
No problem.
But
No problem.
have you been found this today like this? Have you been found back? Or you are still lost?
Not really. But maybe it was I came late. I came late today.
Today, okay. Please make sure you watch the YouTube video. Please make sure.
I'm going to watch the YouTube.
Because from today like this, the market everything is becoming to be more clearer now, and you need to be up to date. Please, you need to be up to date because tomorrow if I'm explaining break of structure and the other blocks that work, the one that doesn't work, you'll be like, what is even for other block in the first place? And why are we even using other block in the first place? Do you understand? So please make sure you watch.
No problem. Thank you so much.
Next question.
Good evening, sir. Hello,
good
evening.
Good evening.
Thank you very much.
About the part of creating other blocks, you said that is after an impulsive move.
Yes.
That's what's really getting me confused at some point because I'm not really like getting the impulsive move. Like, how does an impulsive move look like? Because I'm just saying that
when they say
it is going on.
When they say impulsive move, what does it mean? When they say impulsive or aggressive move, what does it mean?
Okay, something that moves like continually.
Like it is so crazy. Look at now. This thing, dump. This is dump now. Do you understand? Red. Bah! It's so crazy. So this is an impulsive move. See now, the dump is so crazy. This is an impulsive move. See this red. Impulsive move. See this green too. It went up. Shoot. That's impulsive move. You can see this red. That's impulsive move. Do you understand? See, this is impulsive move. So they will always leave an opposite candle. What it means opposite is that like let's say it's red. They will leave a green candle before they do that red. And the market will come back to that place before it now sell again. Let's say we want to buy up, they will leave a small red candle. Do you understand? The market will come back there. And the reason why this one, we are going to talk about it tomorrow. So,
Okay, sir, I get it now. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Next person. Yeah.
My question is that how many days will it take to obey the other block, like to mix back the other block?
How many what?
How many days, like it used to take like how many days to obey to come back to the
Thank you very
position.
much for that question. Thank you very much for that question. So, I've said one of the questions that people used to ask. This is another question. So the first one is how many candles should I count before I can say this is an impulsive move? Like your eyes will see it. This thing, one small person cannot do this thing. Is definitely banks. It's definitely financial. It's people that have the big boys that can do this footprint. You understand? The second question is that how many days should I wait? That's another thing about smart money concept of trading. The smart money concept of trading is a concept of patience. Is a concept of what? Patience. You wait for the market to come and meet you. You don't run after the market. It's a market of patience. You wait for the market to come and meet you. See this thing now. I'm coming. This thing. Can you guys see my screen? This particular thing came to my. Hello. Are you with me? Can you see this screen?
Your screen is blank.
Your screen is blank.
It's
Well, it's
blank.
dark now, but yes, sir.
Yeah, dark,
Okay,
not
change
black.
it by the
It's not showing one chart.
It's not showing
Nothing
any
is
chart.
showing,
It's
just
black.
the movement of the
Okay.
asset is blank.
Okay, because like this particular person just dropped this IB Trading Academy something. He just dropped a chart. So I want to show you that thing that I'm teaching you now. Let me see if I can save it. If I can save the picture, I doubt if I can. I cannot save it actually. I cannot save it. You still cannot see it, Abby.
Yeah, it's still black.
Yes, we can't see it.
Yes, it's because he's on privacy. I will show you that thing. Like his other block, like that trade that he dropped down and his other block. I want to show you now. His other block is. Let me see some examples. Another, you are saying that how many days will you wait? You understand? It's a game of what? Of patience. You wait for the market to come and meet you. Do you understand? So you cannot say that it's 1 day, 2 days. It's any time he come to respect you that you are going to what? To use it. Do you understand? So let me look for example of the other blocks that I traded with other blocks. All these things. No, this one I think now liquidity I use. No, it's still liquidity. I'm coming. Let me look for examples. See this one now. You can see that this is not my chart. You can see that it is other block this person wants to use. Can you see? See this place? Hello, can you see the screen?
Yes.
You can see an impulsive move. Pa. Just like green.
Yes.
There's a one black candle.
Yes.
So he mapped it out. What happened? The market came back to pick him. Can you see? As the market came back to pick him, he now bought more than where he even buy from in the first place. Do you understand? So that's profit. Now, still look at this place too. You see that the market has created another order block again. Because this is an impulsive move, the market has created another thing again. You can see that he has placed his entry again for this place again. Do you understand? So it is as simple as that.
Yes,
Do you understand? Let me see if I will see more examples. Tomorrow I'm going to show you on charts, like on the charts, you are going to see it very well. A lot of it. Market used to print a lot of it. A lot. So you guys will understand this thing. Tomorrow, I will show you. You guys are going to see it. A lot of it. Let's look at what these guys use. These are some of my students' results. Like once they post it to the group, you understand? So it will automatically save on my phone. You might not understand all these things that they are trading because we've not gotten there. So I'm going to show you tomorrow, I'm going to show you tomorrow. So relax, guys. But did you understand? Do you understand where we've reached now?
Yes, sir. You understand?
So, So it's a game of patience. You have to wait. It can take days. It can take hours. It can take weeks. It can take years. That's why some people, Bitcoin might have left one other block at 49K. So if the market is dumping, they will now be calling 49K. They will be calling some prices that will be like, how did you know that the market is going here? It's those things that they consider. Do you understand? There's another block here. So even if the market is coming, dumping, once it gets this place, it will react first. It's going to what? To respect it first. It might now later go and break it later, but it will first respect it. Do you understand? So those are the things they use. So next question, another question.
So I have a question.
Okay, go on.
After you having or mapping out your order block,
Yes.
is there any probability that market will not come to that order block?
There are probability that market will not come there. There are probability that market will break that place, that it will not respect it. And there are probability that the market will respect it. It's three things that I mentioned now. Now, it now depends on, that's why you don't just use one thing to eat. You understand? There are other ingredients that will still add for you to know that the market is not going to come back here again. The market will break this place. So, the market is going to respect this one. So you are going to know along the way as we go. Do you understand?
Yeah, thank you. So that means as the market is coming down to that other block, will it not be creating other block while trying to go to meet another other block?
Thank you. At times it creates another one. At times it doesn't create another one. Do you understand? It can create another one above it or another one below it. Do you understand? So that's how it is. How I wish I can show you guys these guys, like the trade that I dropped, so that you guys can see that it's pure order block used. So that's that, guys. So is that the last question? Let me take the last question.
Okay. I want to ask another question.
Okay.
Yes, sir. As regards of the order block, which time frame will you advise to be able to notice the order blocks very well? Like to notice the aggressive movement.
Thank you very much. As I've told you earlier, I say always start your analysis from what?
Higher time frame.
From higher time frame. You see that everything that I've been teaching you, I'm still staying on what? On higher time frame. Do you understand?
Yes,
so it's higher time frame. Always start your analysis from what? From higher time frame.
Time frame.
Yes. So if you see on higher time frame, it's more strong, more reliable than if you see on lower time frame. If you see on lower time frame, it doesn't mean you must not trade it. You can trade it. Do you understand? Even in fact, we get to something we call refined entry. Inside that other block, another other block there inside. Do you understand? Just like Charlie Poppy said that inside that your Evian soup, another Evian day inside. Inside that other block. Some other block will be large. Another other block there inside where you go use trade instead of using all this thing. It's sweet. You understand? So that's the last question. So tomorrow we are going to continue. So thank you very much, everyone. Please, I beg you, if you don't understand this thing, make sure you watch the YouTube video before you sleep this night and practice. So thank you very much. And you can also watch some YouTube videos too. You understand? So thank you. Good night, guys.